Good morning, students. Today we study about the phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy is nothing but the arrangement of leaves on stem or branch. It is called as phyllotaxy. The leaves may be stem-borne, that is cauline, branch-borne, that is ramal, or may appear to be root-borne, that is radicle. In the arrangement of leaves is called as phyllotaxy on the stem or branch, and if the leaf is stem borne it is called as cauline. If it is branch borne it is called as ramal, and when it is root borne it is called as radicle. The arrangement of leaves is of three types: alternate or spiral arrangement, opposite arrangement or opposite phyllotaxy, and whorled phyllotaxy. First one, alternate or spiral phyllotaxy. When only one leaf is found at each node, the leaves present at successive nodes alternate with each other. The arrangement is said to be alternate or spiral. The leaves are commonly arranged spirally around the stem. Each spiral is called the genetic spiral. Second type, that is opposite type. When two leaves are present at node opposite to each other, the type of phyllotaxy is called opposite. It is of two types: opposite superposed and opposite decussate type. In opposite superposed type, all the pairs of leaves of a branch arise in a same plane, so that only two vertical rows of leaves are formed. Example: jamun, gawa, etc. Second type, opposite decussate type. A pair of leaves at one node stands at right angle to the next upper or lower pair, so that four vertical rows are formed on a stem. Example: calotropis, रुई का जो झाड़ होता है उस पर अपोजिट डेकोसिट टाइप ऑफ फाइलोटैक्सी प्रेजेंट रहता है. Then last one, that is whorled type. If more than two leaves are present at a node as whorl, it is called whorled phyllotaxy. It is also called cyclic or verticillate phyllotaxy. Example: Nerium hydrilla. Then next topic is stipules. Stipules are the small lateral appendages present on either side of the leaf base. They protect the young leaf or leaf primordia. Leaves with stipules are called stipulate, and those without them are called exstipulate. The stipules are commonly found in dicots. In some grasses, an additional outgrowth is present between leaf base and lamina. It is called ligule. Grasses means monocot family. The leaves having ligules are called ligulate leaves. Sometimes small stipule-like outgrowth are found at the base of leaflets of a compound leaf. They are called stipules. Types of stipule. Depending on the structure and position, various kinds of stipules are recognized. Three lateral stipules. A pair of freely arranged stipules present on either side of the leaf base are called three lateral stipules. Example: hibiscus, cotton. Then adnate stipules. The two stipules that fuse with the leaf base or petiole on either side are called adnate stipules. Example: rose, and groundnut. Then interpetiolar stipules, stipules present in between the petioles of opposite leaves. Example, Exora and Hamelia. And intrapetiolar stipule means they are also called the axillary stipules. Stipules present in the axil of leaf are called axillary stipules. These are also called intrapetiolar stipules. Example, Gardenia. Then arcuate stipule, membranous tubular stipules that covers the axillary bud and a part of internode is called arcuate stipule. It is formed by the union of two stipules. Example is polygonum. Hairy stipules. These are hair-like stipules which are dry in nature. Example, asparagus. Then the modification of stipules. To carry out different functions, stipules of some plant undergo modifications. They are as follows. Foliaceous. Green expanded leaf-like stipules are called foliaceous stipules. They carry out photosynthesis, hence called assimilatory stipules. Example, Pisum lythrus and lythrus. Pisum means pea plant. Spinous. In some plants, the stipules are modified into hard, pointed, defensive organs called spines. Example, Acacia, bubble plant, Prosopis and Ziziphus. बेर का पेड़, इसमें spinous type of stipules are present. Bubble and bear. Then convolute or bud scales. Scales which protect the buds are called bud scales. Sometimes they are the modified to stipules. The bud scales fall off as bud opens. Example, ficus. This is all about the phyllotaxy, then stipule and modification of stipules. In next class we study about the modification of leaves. Thank you.